Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome butterfly knife trainer from CIVIVI. This is the Dracolisk. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome butterfly knife trainer from CIVIVI and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CIVIVI for sending me this knife trainer to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea. For the overall size of this knife trainer, here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a look at them vertically side by side so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. Now with the blade open. And now back to vertical. Let's take some rough measurements here for overall length. First with the blade closed, looks like we got just about 5.5 inches. And now with the blade open, overall length looking like it's just about 10 inches long. Here's a quick size reference for the size of these handles. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. So here we go. Maybe just a little bit thinner than that. And then they do taper down. They get thicker toward the bottom. Here's a look at the side, and pretty much the same thing here, all the way down to the bottom. Gonna bring you guys nice and close so we can admire the milling that they've done on these gorgeous aluminum handles. Look at how sharp and crisp these lines are, how they pick up the light. Makes it look like it's in motion. Latchless design, so these lines are clean and smooth. This blade is going to open and pivot on bronze washers, smooth and quiet. Clip point blade design, satin finish, and it's not going to be sharpened. But the steel type being used is 9CR18 MOV, so if you wanted to sharpen this, you could. It's going to have excellent corrosion resistance, good toughness, and it's going to be easy to maintain. Super quick, guys, I want to give you some reasons why you want to invest in an actual butterfly knife trainer versus a plastic one or one with a skeletonized blade. Alright, the first thing is durability. When you purchase a plastic trainer, as you start dropping that thing, it's going to break and you're going to end up spending more money buying more plastic trainers. So it's worth spending the money up front to have something that's going to last you a lifetime. The second thing is when you're ready to transition into an actual sharpened knife, you can actually do that on this, right? This is 9CR18 MOV. When you're ready to do it, you don't have to buy another knife. You can just put an edge on here. And of course, the last and most important thing is how this balance feels like in your hand. When you transition from a plastic to an actual knife or a knife that has a skeletonized blade to a real one, the way that the knife flings around in your hand and how you open it and you're catching, your timing is going to be a lot different. So it's worth just doing it right the first time and getting one of these. Let's see some of the tricks that you can master within the first couple of days of having one of these. Alright, here are a couple of opening and closing techniques that you can master in the first couple of days once you get this trainer. I just have a rubber band here to show me what side is the bite side or the sharp side and the other side is your safe side. With the safe side closest to your thumb, you can practice your basic opening and closing. Next easy trick you can learn is your quick draw. With the bite side closer to your thumb, you can just flick it open, and then to close it, you can utilize your basic close. Next up, you can practice your basic wrist pass. So with the safe side closer to your thumb, and then to close it, your basic close. Then if you wanted to spice up that basic wrist pass and make it a little bit more flamboyant, instead of wrist passing under, you can flip up over the top, around like this, and then go for your basic close. And on the more fancy side, you can practice your thumb rolls without worry about getting cut. And then close it back up using your general close. Once again, guys, this has been the Dracolisk from CIVIVI. If you're looking at learning into how to operate a butterfly knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome butterfly knife trainer from CIVIVI, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.